here at the zoo. Are you happy?
Vicky, what color are they? Brown.
What are those? Can you say bison? Bison. Can you count the bison? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bison. Look at the bison. What does the bison say? I don't know. Is it a roar or a moo? We don't know. Can you say bye-bye? Bye-bye. Bye, bison. Take it. Can you say take it out? Take it out. Take it out. Oh, it's so cute. Is this a dinosaur? What is that?
It's an elephant.
What does the elephant say? Ow! Ow!
Stop elephant.
Can you stomp like elephant? Stomp, 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 stomp. Haru! Haru! Good job. Is elephant is dinosaur? No, elephant is not a dinosaur. Silly mama. Can you say, oh, look at that? What does the owl say? Can you tell mama what does the owl say? Here, baby. What does the owl say? Hoo, hoo, hoo. And there's an owl there. Is that a dinosaur? Owl. What does the owl say? Can you show to the friend, to the beautiful babies? Can you show to beautiful? Can you show like this? Is this a dinosaur, beautiful babies? No. Can you tell us, beautiful babies, what are those? What are those?
What are those?
That one. What are those? And then there's a blue ball. A big blue ball. Can you say big blue ball? What does the donkey say? Good job. Here is the donkey. Can you say barn? Good job. We are at the barn. Can you say horse? What does the horse say? It's a black horse. Black horse. What does the horse say? Nay. Good job. Come on, let's go see the horse. Here. And his name is Willie. Willie the horse. Wow. Wow. Horse is eating. Can you say eat? Say eat. Horse is eating. It's right there. Nom 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 nom. Good job. Can we count the horses? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 8 horses. Good job. We are going to see a polar bear. Polar bear. Look at there. Ooh. Look at it. Ooh. Swimming. Look at that. Oh yeah, sure. Look. Swim bear. The bear is swimming. Say, good job, polar bear. Good job. Where? Where? What's that? What is that?
Leo. Leo. Leo.
Can you say swim? Swim. Can you say seal? Seal. Oh, there! Look! Wow! Another seal. Look at it! Wow! Whoa! It's coming to you! Wow! It's so big! Wow! Can you say wow? Wow! Play at the playground. Look! There's a playground here. Is fish can play at the playground? No. Is fish can play at the zoo? Aquarium, yes. There's a fish in the zoo. They can swim inside the aquarium. What does the bear say? Roar. He's eating. And you say kangaroo? Kangaroo. Good job. Can you say hop, hop, hop? They are hopping. It's right there. Can you say bye, kangaroo? Ba. I see dinosaurs. Can you say dinosaur? It's there. Oh, it's T-Rex. That's the T-Rex, baby. What does the dinosaur say? Roar. Oh, come on. T-Rex. Wow, T-Rex. Roar. Good job. Roar. More Platosaurus. Hi, Platosaurus. And Diplosaurus. Roar. Roar. Look at the teeth.
Look, baby.
Look.
Oh.
Whoa, good job.
No.
And more roaring. What is this? What is that? Roar. Wow.
The Jangosaurus.
So big. So huge.
Oh, there's another one here.
There's another one here. Open mouth. Huge. And then that is the name of that dinosaur.
Oh.
Look at that. Look at that. It's so big. There's more. It's so big. Look at the tail. It's so long. Look. Look. Basahin. Look. It's so big.
There's another one here.
Can you say bye-bye? Look. So big. Whoa. So huge. Imagine if that is so real. Hi, Triceratops. No, Regaloceratops. I thought. Roar. Bye-bye, Triceratops. Bye-bye. 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 One more. Can you roar like a dinosaur? Roar. Look at it. Look at the teeth. Look at roar. Look at that. So cool. Second biggest theropod. At this. Oh, look. Look at the teeth. Look at the tongue. Tongue.
I don't know.
Can you show your tongue? Can you show your teeth like Dino? Rawr. Look at that. Look at the teeth. Look at the claw. Good job. It's so big. Look, baby. Look, baby. Look. Wow, so tall. Say hi. Can you say hi to Dino?
Bye, dinosaur.
Love, love. Oh, the dinosaur's eating the leaves. Look. So cool. Bye-bye, Dino. Okay, you say bye-bye, Dino. Sorry. Turtles. Good job. Okay. Oh.